Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to find all your comments on Facebook using your PC. Whether you're looking to revisit old interactions or manage your comment history, this tutorial will help you navigate the updated process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook by typing facebook.com in the address bar. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu. This will expand into more options. Click on Activity Log to proceed. In the Activity Log section, look for the category labeled Your Facebook Activity. Under this, click on Comments and Reactions. Now, select Comments. Here, you'll find a complete list of all the comments you've made on Facebook. You can scroll through them to review, edit, or delete any comment if needed. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and manage all your comments on Facebook. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience.